Alright, so there it is. Well, it's a pretty tight fit, I'd say. Alright, good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are actually headed over to my buddy James's house. And so, I obviously no longer own a Jeep Wrangler, but James, one of our good friends, he still owns a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, of course. And I was sent a grill to review for Auxmart USA. I'll link their stuff below if you're interested in their products. But they wanted me to review this grill. And I told him, I was like, you know, this really isn't really the type of grill that I would put on my Jeep, so, you know, I don't want to waste your guys' time or anything. But they said, hey, just review the grill, let us know if you like it, and then see if you can find someone that can use it. So, I have found someone that can use it, and they actually like it. So, we're going to show you the grill here in just a second. God, I hate the stop and start thing on these Fords. It's so annoying. That's really freaking bright too. Holy shit. Anyways, so we're gonna turn that off. Anyways, so they sent me this grill, and the grill came in yesterday. We're gonna show it to you here in just a second. But I was actually really surprised how cool the grill looked. I'm not a fan of aftermarket grills. Let's just get that out of there. I really enjoy the Jeep 7-slot grill. I think that's what makes a Wrangler, and you shouldn't change them. But this one surprised me how good it looked, actually. I think I've actually would have put it on my Jeep eventually if I still had my Jeep. And because Kevin has an aftermarket grill that he was going to put on his Wrangler, and he never ended up getting around to it. So we actually have another aftermarket grill that we told James he could have if he didn't like this one, but he actually likes this one as well. So this one, it still has the 7 slots in it. It's a little altered, and then it's got the little slashes in the headlights that give it the angry eye look. So yeah, we're headed over to James' house and we'll show you what it looks like, and then we're gonna install it and see what it looks like on the actual Jeep. Alright, so this is James. We came to put the grill on his Jeep. So this is the grill from Auxmart USA. So it's got the angry eye headlights. It's still got 7 slots though, which is kind of cool. These ones are just bigger. They're almost like teeth.
6.
Oh, that's only 6. Crap. Shit. It looks pretty cool though for an aftermarket grill. Like, I don't really like aftermarket grills. What do you think of it?
I like the mesh.
The mesh?
Looks kind of, I don't know.
It gives, like, it still looks stock.
It's aggressive without being like over the top.
Yeah.
It's not too much.
So this is his Jeep Rubicon. Is it 2012, 2011? 8. Oh shit.
It's old, dude.
Shit.
It's old.
2008. That's right, because it has the 3.8 liter. But see, look, he actually has a winch. I never had one. But it's still Rubicon. That's all that matters.
You gotta have the winch to get out of those tight spots at the mall.
Oh yeah, always. Tight parking spots are tight in Amarillo. But it's still got 37s. It's a good looking Jeep. So James is the only one that actually kept his Wrangler. The rest of us are frauds. Alright, so we're just gonna pop the grill off, then we're gonna put the other one on. It should be pretty simple.
I'm gonna run it all the way and put it back on. But
I've got.
I tried to clear them, Phil. Didn't sand it good enough. It's all sticky. That was from like 3 days ago.
Alright, so it's just got all these clips up top. There's no bolts, right? It's just all clips?
Clips.
All clips on top, and then it just pops from the underside. Oh, and then you just have to unhook these bulbs from the back, right?
Just
turn, yeah. So you can see, you just turn those, pop them out. So it's pretty easy. It's a Jeep. Well, literally just all the top clips, and then just pops off. This is why we like working on Jeeps for the most part. Can he get it out with the winch? Oh yeah. Alright, so then you just pop the original turning signals in, and it's got these metal clips on the stock grill you need to put in just to hold it. But they fit?
Yeah, I
just gotta pop them in there.
It's gonna be
Alright, so you gotta pop off all these metal little clips here because those go into the Jeep actually. That's what holds the bottom in. And then you don't have to reuse the stock weather stripping. Auxmart actually sent us weather stripping, which is pretty cool. So the turning signals went in pretty easily. Oh, do you want to put that weather stripping on?
Yeah, I figured I just put it on.
Oh, yeah, okay. Alright, so we're gonna mount this up, see what it looks like. It looks pretty good though. Some fidangling.
I don't want to like force it if it's not.
Yeah. It's never good to force it, guys. Just so you guys know, if you don't have a winch, this will go right in. The Jeep looks angry right now.
Probably because I'm like forcing all this shit on it.
There it goes.
This mesh you can't like reach in there and pull on it.
It's close.
It's this fucking one. I need a big screwdriver.
So yeah, if we didn't have a winch, it'd be going on really easy. So we just gotta kind of fidangle it a little bit. But it actually looks really good. So we're almost there. Really easy install. This was super easy. Alright, so we tried to use the OEM hardware, but actually we found out there's a little bag in there that has all the hardware. So it's got all new metal clips. Did it have clips for the top too?
Yeah, well, no, you gotta reuse your.
Okay, yeah, so you gotta reuse the top OEM clips, but they give you the metal little prong ones that go in the bottom, which you should reuse these because usually after you pull these out a couple times they get bent and they're kind of hard to reuse. And they come with instructions, but you don't really need those. It's just a grill. Alright, so there it is. We're gonna get out in the sun so you guys can see. That was a freaking easy ass install. There's their other Jeep. They just got a new Grand Cherokee.
Oh yeah.
So the fit and finish is pretty good. I really like this actually. I haven't seen this. It follows the angle of the hood. It's pretty cool.